Hey guys, welcome. Yeah, so our second example on the power and the beauty and the usefulness of the difference of squares. And here we're going to use difference of squares to simplify this quantity here, right? And so figure out what number this quantity is. And FYI, this is problem number 7 from the 2008 AMC 10A. Now, while you can take other approaches to simplifying this, it's clearly screaming difference of squares. How? Because if we say that this is x, that is, if we say 3 to the 2008 is x, then we've got x squared in this part, right? We've got x squared in this part. And then if we say 3 to the 2006 is y, we've got x squared minus y squared in the numerator. Let's say that 3 to the 2007 is u, so u squared minus v squared. So we have x squared and then minus y squared over u squared minus v squared. The numerator, using difference of squares, x squared minus y squared, is x plus y times x minus y, right? And then the denominator, u squared minus v squared, is u plus v, right? U plus v times u minus v, right? Okay, cool. Now, this here, the left-hand side, is what we have. So let's use the right-hand side, right? So using the right-hand side, we see that the numerator is x plus y times x minus y. So that's 3 to the 2008 x plus y, 3 to the plus 3 to the 2006, right? Sorry guys, like I care maybe a tad bit too much about neatness. Okay, and then this x plus y times x minus y, so times 3 to the 2008 minus 3 to the 2006, right? So that's the numerator, and then the denominator is u plus v times u minus v, so 3 to the 3 to the 2007 plus times right? Okay, yes, sure. After we do this, we can't use difference of squares again. We have to use exponent rules and factoring, right? But clearly, difference of squares was instrumental at this start. Like, we couldn't get started and move in this direction without using difference of squares. Like I said, you could take other approaches. I don't know why I picked up my eraser. Okay, so where to from here? So obviously, we'd like to be able to combine stuff. And to do that, notice that 3 to the 2008 is 3 squared times 3 to the 2006, right? So here we could write 3 to the 2008 here as 3 squared times 3 to the 2006. That's just using exponent rules, right? Like 3 squared times 3 to the 2006 is 3 to the 2 plus 2006, and therefore 3 to the 2008. But wait, 3 squared is 9. So I see that I could just write 9 times 3 to the 2006. Sorry, this looks crowded. Okay. All right. And so I want to do that here also, so that I get like terms. And it'll be more clear why there are like terms now in this part, once we call back the fact that 3 to the 2006 is y. So you'll see it slightly better. But yeah, again, we do the same thing with this 3 to the 2008, which is we write it as 3 squared, which is 9 times 3 to the 2006. And then, of course, you shouldn't be surprised that I take a similar approach in the denominators, which is to write 3 to the 2007 is 9 times 3 to the 2005, right? I tried to leave myself some space. Can you see the space? but still not helping. Okay, anyway, you get it. And so I do the same thing here. 9 times 3 to the 2005, right? Now, recall, as I said already, that 3 to the 2006 is what we said was y. So what do we have right here? We have 9y plus 1y. 9y plus y is 10y. So we have 10y, that's this here, right? And then we've got 9y minus 1y. 9y minus y is 8y. So we have 10y times 8y, that's the numerator. Okay, cool. And then what about the denominator? And the denominator, 3 to the 2005 is what we said was v. So we have 9v plus a v, so that's 10v. So this is divided by 10v times 9v minus a v is 8v. How nice. Because look at what I could do. Boom, 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 boom. So what I have is y squared over v squared, right? Which, if I so chose, I could write as y over v all squared. But wait, what is y and what's v? Y is 3 to the 2006. V is 3 to the 2005. So what's 3 to the 2006 divided by 3 to the 2005? That's just 3. So what we have is 3 squared, which means that this quantity here is equal to 9. Yeah? Okay, cool. All right, I hope you enjoyed this, and more to come. Keep watching. Take care.